Hi guys, today we are reviewing the Friheten sleeper sofa from Ikea. Now, I love purchasing online, which is what I did in order to have this couch here. But I did go to Ikea in person just to play around with it and see how it functions, and I loved it. So I came back home and placed an order online, which is super easy. Shipping, super easy also, because the boxes are really, really big and heavy. I mean, it's way better when you buy stuff online nowadays, right? Especially an item that is as big and as heavy as this couch, and you have to assemble it, and I did all by myself. So stick around, because during this review and by the end of the video, you will see how I have assembled the Friheten all by myself. 90% by myself, because there was a lot of flipping around and turning around, so I had someone else's help, just like 2 or 3 minutes out of that video. But all in all, it was a great experience. I had to just follow the steps and not mess around. And I was able to pull it off seriously in like maybe 2 hours. So, which is not bad for an IKEA item, a big piece of furniture. Now, let us talk about the Friheten sleeper sofa or sleeper couch. It's actually everything and all together. It's a sleeper sectional, which is the part that I'm sitting on right now. It's also a 3-seat right there. And then we have the storage itself, which plays a really big role, especially for someone like me. The built-in storage is spacious. It's big enough to fit or to store your beddings, your pillows, which is a bedding item, pajamas, books, whatever you can store. I mean, like I said, it's big and spacious. As you can see my items here. Now the cover itself is non-removable, so it is stapled to the wood, which means you need to be careful. It is not your everyday couch or your luxury purchase, if you want, in your living room. It's a temporary item. By that I mean it fits perfectly in your extra guest bedroom because you're not gonna be sleeping on it every day. So if you have guests or overnight guests, it's really perfect, because once you pull the bed out, it converts perfectly into a one big bed. So we pull this part, and now it's one big spacious bed, just like that. So it's not your everyday bed, but it's your temporary bed. So who should buy the Friheten from Ikea? If you just had your first apartment, if you are a college student, or if you have a smaller space, this couch, sleeper sofa, this alternative couch is ideal for you. Especially that it's budget friendly, it is affordable, it serves as everything and all in one. It's like multi-purpose and versatile piece of furniture. Now, let us talk about the construction itself. I don't really think it's a good couch bed or a sectional if you are a heavy person. And I'll tell you why. There's not enough foam, so the foam is not too thick to hold you. You will definitely feel a little bit of the wood if you want. You can even hear it. So it's not that comfortable. You can definitely feel the wood, that's for sure. Here's a very important thing that I really love about it, is that you can use the sectional or the chaise, and by the way, it's not a chaise or chaise, whatever you call it in American, it's a chaise, and it comes from the French word chaise, which is a chair. So the chaise can be on the right side or the left side. Just follow the instructions. It's on the manual and tells you exactly how to put it on this side or the other side. So being able to move this and undo it if you want and take it to a different apartment or house temporarily, this is really easy to just hold it away. Now, we talked about storage. We talked about how it's a multi-purpose couch. It's a very, very versatile piece of furniture, and I love everything that could be useful in many other ways. I love also that it's budget friendly. The price point on the Friheten from Ikea is seriously wonderful. But again, it is not your everyday bed. It's not your everyday couch. It could be, but temporarily, if you just take it easy on it if you want. You know what I mean? Like, don't jump on it. Don't just overdo it. Don't get your pets to sit on it. You can probably cover it if you want to protect it, but it's not going to last forever is what I'm trying to say. So one of the things that I love to do when I'm tired, I just want to sit down, is just plop down like I just did. Now, the foam itself is a little bit firm, so take it easy on the couch. You do not want to break it. Before we move to assembly, I would just like to say simply that this couch is the alternative couch, is the ideal piece of furniture that you're looking for if you are on a budget. Now, the assembly part was super easy, and I can't believe I'm even saying it, but I built it mostly all by myself. There was a couple times when I had to flip these parts, so I had someone else's help. If you need someone else's help, always ask, because it's a heavy item. Today I'm building the Friheten from Ikea. I'm super frightened to start building it and putting it together. Look at all these big, massive boxes. So wish me luck, because I need it again. And yeah, let's get to work. There's another thing that you need to also pay attention to when you're building the storage, and there's screws that go inside. Make sure you don't pressure with your foot or your knee so you don't break the wood. It's not too sturdy. Did I really just do that? Oh my gosh! And it didn't take me 4 hours. And I think I started between 11 or 11:15. And it's what? Like 1?
30.
30?